Hello everyone, my name is Michael. Welcome to my channel. This is the channel that I have created for the medical billing knowledge. This is something that I have created for those people who are recently graduated and have been planning to coming into the medical billing industry, and for the employees who have already been working and they want to sharpen their knowledge in the medical billing while working in the same domain. Today's topic that I have chosen is very underrated topic, is all about how to leave an effective voicemail to the pair. I have seen while working that some of my colleagues and even I was struggling how to leave an effective voicemail to the pair. If we don't have the pre-call analysis, if we don't have the proper planning, we will be ending up with the worst kind of details leaving to the pair, and we will leave them also in the confusion state. So it's better to have them some pre-calling analysis. So in today's video I will show you some important details, what all details you have to gather before pressing the call button to the pair, and I will also give you the ready-made scripts so that you can keep them handy while you are working. So let's jump in and see what all you have to do. This is the document that I have created is, and first thing is we must have some pre-call analysis if we want to leave the voicemail to the pair. And the pre-call analysis details includes patient details, claim information, our provider and facility details, and the last but not the least is the reason for our call. The patient details you have to will have his patient name and last name, of course, his or her date of birth, and member and policy IDs. Basically, these are patient demographic details that you must have. Second thing is you should have claim information handy, such as claim number, the date of service of the claim, and bill amount of the claim. Third thing is very important. Basically, this is not third, this is first, is facility details or provider details, because the first thing first, what pair expect to ask from you is the provider or facility details, such as provider or group NPI, tax ID, facility and hospital name. And the last is why you are calling them. Is it for just checking the claim status, or do you have some denial to work on, or is there any additional information that you want to ask? Okay, and the fifth information is all about your callback information, your direct phone number with extension if there is any, your name and the department from which you are calling from. These information is the pre-call analysis information. For an example, I have mentioned the details as a dummy details. Patient name Adam S, member ID, claim number is this, NPI, facilities Catherine Shaw Vidya Hospital, for an example. Reason, let's say you are calling them for checking claim status. And the last one is call back. Your name is, let's say, it's David Johnson, and you are from the billing department, and your phone number is 800-256-999, and extension number is 9851. So let's jump to the voicemail script, because I don't want to waste my time to giving you so much instructions and advices, because it doesn't really help when we are stuck to leave them the voicemail. What we all need is to ready-made sample voice script so that we can give them as soon as possible. So these are three voicemail scripts I have attached to this document. I will be attaching this document to the YouTube link. You can have that in the YouTube video. So that's all. For an example, I will read it out to you. The voicemail script one is for the claim status inquiry. You can say it like this: Hi, my name is David Johnson. I'm calling from Riverbend Medical Billing Department. I'm calling regarding claim number for patient John D. Date of service is June 12, 2024, with a billed amount of $1,250. The provider's NPI is this, and the tax ID is this. I would like to confirm the current status of this claim and check if any additional documentation is required. Please return my call at 800-123-4567 with this extension. Again, that is this, and the extension is 202. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your response. This is the quicker way you can do this. Hope you get it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.